Congratulations, Team India. Now, after breaking an 11-year drought, Jamaica's under-19 cricketers are expressing confidence in repeating their double title success in the St. Vincent and the Grenadines at the regional tournament starting next month. The Jamaicans begin their quest on Tuesday against Barbados.
It's rare when a national youth team can field the core of its squad in consecutive years. However, Jamaica has found itself in a luxurious position with 10 out of the 14 players who copped the regional double set to return. Despite the experience that graces the squad, head coach Terence Cork believes this year's tournament will present a more unique challenge.
I can tell you for certain, this will be a harder competition to win. One, you are the hunted this time. The target is on your back and everybody's coming for you. They know you and they're going to plan for you. So what we want to do, we want to go back and make a good issue out of this. Because the year before, Leewards won the competition and they finished last. We don't want that to happen to us. So we are working very hard for that not to happen.
In the ranks of the Jamaican team is Jordan Johnson, who has gone on to play first-class cricket, while 4 other members took part in the ICC T20 World Cup in South Africa earlier this year. But Johnson's success has come at a temporary loss to the champions.
Jordan Johnson is with the West Indies Academy in Ireland, and Jordan has spoken with me and that he needs a week rest. So for the first game against Barbados, we wouldn't want to lose Jordan. But the youngster has been playing from the Under-19 tournament last year. He has played a lot of cricket, and with Jordan asking for rest, he would have to give it to him because he's been away from home, and then being a youngster, we don't want to lose his hedge, and get to hate cricket. So giving Jordan a rest, somebody will have to step up.
To be once again led by Manchester High's Brian Barnes, there's a level of expectancy in the squad.
Well, of course, we're always going to have people looking out for us because people are always threatened by Jamaicans. So we have to just set our stars out from early and just be positive and be successful in whatever we do.
Going into the competition as defending champions of both competitions, we know we have a target on our backs. So with that in mind, we plan to go there and still play hard cricket and execute to the best of our abilities.
Taki High's pacer Javon Winter is one of 4 newcomers in the squad, and he wants to leave a mark on his first youth team.
Well, I'm going to make a good adjustment towards 3-day. It's going to be a first 3-day for me because under cup, Eddie Cup level we don't play 3 days, 1 day, 2 days, never make it to the semi-final. When I play 3 days and stuff like that, but 50 overs, same adjustment like the T20, so just keep working hard from there.
The Jamaicans depart the island on Sunday and played a 2-day warm-up match against the Jamaica Scorpions outfit earlier this week. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.
And finally, netball.